It's a pleasure to be here. Thank you. I've been very keenly following your work, and I want to thank the director for again organizing this event today. Pass on to you a small support that we would want to make to this FPRA. And I want to let you know that we want to double this next year. Wow. But we want to see a visible output of how new young artists are brought into into the field. Unlike in other developed countries, there are music institutes, universities. But in Fiji, what we see amongst our artists are their own original raw talent. With a little bit of support from established artists like yourself, and a few, quite a number of other artists we have in Fiji, I think we can really develop them. And no longer music is just a leisure activity. Music is now an industry, and we can provide music support to a number of industries. And music is one way of getting our message across to the masses, message of peace, message regarding importance and mitigation of climate change activities. Using music, we can motivate people to excel in their particular fields of interest, be it education, be it culture, heritage. So it's an area where we have kind of haven't explored the full potential of utilizing music to achieve some of our national goals and objectives. And I do hope that we will use music, we will use established artists like you to develop songs in thematic areas of interest. For example, now one of the areas of interest to us is climate change. And I did mention to Honorable Prime Minister 2 weeks ago that to support the climate change meeting, the Conference of Parties, the 23rd Conference of Parties, we could mobilize singers across the region to come and develop songs. And I said to him that Bob Marley did this song, a very famous song on Nuclear Waste. That's right. Nuclear Waste is coming down. And so a lot of singers have developed songs addressing a thematic area. I do hope that we got together, you did it pretty much for small token money, the song on education. And it went viral throughout our schools. They were playing every time they would play the song. So this is how we need to use music to get messages across, apart from music to de-stress and enjoy. I think music has a lot of ways music can assist us. And with these words, it's my pleasure on behalf of our ministry, the Permanent Secretary and Director, wish to hand over this check to you. Thank you.
Thank you.